Alright guys, I'm back. I got my extension cords hooked up and we're gonna bust out my palm sander. Like I said, I'm out of 80 grit to do any hand sanding with. So for the sake of time and all that too in, I'm gonna go ahead and hook up my belt sander and knock some of this stuff down with the 60 grit right quick. So we can keep life rolling here. I hate that over there Harbor Freight for this style palm sander that they don't have 80 grit, bro. They're low, they go all the way down to 60, and you gotta be careful with 60 and shit, whatever you're saying, because it'll tear some shit up. The thick as this stuff is, I'll probably be alright. Try to trim this down the sides here. And that's what I'll do with yourself projects, is trial and error. I didn't cut that down to the best size, but and just like that with that palm sander, man, you knock that stuff down. Even all those deep gashes that you've seen with the palm sander, you can get in there and kind of erase it away, I like to say. Use the tip of it and just kind of erase it away. So now this on the knee of the light coat, it's not bad at all. Keep it rolling. Seriousness, I do recommend safety glasses and damn mask when you're messing with this shit here. Fiberglass, bundle. But like most people, we don't give a damn. We just do it anyway. That's what happens when you don't properly trim your sandpaper to fit on these palm sandals. You tear them up right quick. But I got a lot of that done. I got crazy build up on the top of this damn thing here. It is high. I look like most of them might have stuck too. If there's not metal all up there, I was figuring it would come off some. Let's see what we can do by hand. It's hard in this angle here. This would almost need me a sanding block to get in that wood. That shit build all up in the crease. That sucks. It was going smoothly into this. It's built up in there pretty good. It's coming down. I just know not to get up in this crease like this right here. Again, I'm actually gonna see, can I break some of this up? Cause it's not any it's not bare metal up in here, so that's gonna come off anyway. It's not gonna stick to this paint or to this sanded area. Knock some of it down. Knock some of this stuff down, bro. Get it out the crease so I can work with it a little better. I'll still out that crease. Oh, I got a lot of build up to knock down over here. Oh, that looks good. I knocked that down in that corner. So this really my spot right here. Trouble spot now. Maybe I encourage more people, man, you know, get out here and do this type of stuff, bro. It just seems intimidating. Although some people are naturally more hands-on than others. I gotta thank my father for that. He kept me pretty occupied as a kid, man. I was always somewhere learning how to run his lawn service, and that's another thing I'm good at. Man, I am a fool at lawn work. It just I was forced to do it growing up, kind of like people forced to do chores, and they kind of don't like doing that once you get older. So when I got my first job, and I stopped doing yard work, and only do it if I really got to. So, but I'm really good at that too. Yeah, that's pretty good. So let's look right there. Just like that, bro. Holes are gone. Holes are gone. That's what's up. Build up right now at this corner. Like this build up now right here. And you just gotta trust the process, bro. If you don't trust your own process, then you off top field and all you do is yourself projects. Gotta trust that each step you do and each thing after that gonna make for a damn good day. I'm signing out for right now.